You're getting so big now, and you're making me so proud, cause you were such a star, and you know that you are. So every single little moment, I can't be there to hold your hand. I need for you to know that, need for you to know that anything should happen, anything should happen, cause anything could, if anything should happen, know that you'll be alright, know that you'll be alright, just promise you'll be alright, promise you'll be alright, if anything.
Alright, promise I'll be alright, promise I'll be alright, promise I'll be alright.
If anything should happen.
Hello, I'm Cece, baby mama,
I'm Malcolm.
father.
Yeah, the father. I know, baby daddy.
We are gonna open all of the gifts we received for our baby shower yesterday and all the
Registry gifts.
registry gifts. We're gonna start with the registry gifts because we received them first. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, we are very grateful for everyone that even got us anything. It
Yeah.
means so much. We put on the registry. We got formula dispensers. Yeah. You put the formula and you like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it is. I added it. You got cool beans,
Oh, I'm pretty sure I added those.
holy guacamole.
Yeah.
Is there something on it? I'm a little chip. Bruh. Cool beans. And then there's
I'm a little.
I'm a little chili.
And then there's the Destin. I heard this is good.
What is that? I don't know where to put this on.
It's
Put it
for
on the floor.
Decorash. And then some baby products.
I got it.
And it has
Water wipes.
oh, that's it.
99
Thank you.
cents of Water. Thank you.
I wish it said the name on the front. But I guess not.
He gives you compression socks.
Oh, Jeffred got a bottle
Okay.
warmer. Jeffred, thank you for the bottle warmer. This is the towel. I don't know what this is.
Oh.
I don't want to open
Guess
it. It's an ivory bear. Oh, maybe it's a sweater.
Guess who got it?
That's it. Stacy. Stacy D. Ramfield.
Them, sounds like my mom's friend.
She
I
said,
think.
can't wait to see pics. Well, thank you, Stacy, for. Yeah, I think this is. Oh yeah, it's a zipper up. It's like a polar bear thing outfit. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, we just put it on.
Yeah,
Wait, I want to try the knife.
you just said I was in charge of the knife.
I know, but I want to be in charge for this one.
No. You said you were gonna end up cutting yourself. So why would I give you the knife? You might cut yourself.
Whoa! It's a box.
And this is not to cut it with a box. This is from
And that's it. We got a what's it called?
Huh?
We have a.
Streak.
Yeah, I know we got a lot, but jeez. Oh, it's a boppy. I know what this is.
I don't know what that is.
It's that.
What is that? A neck
Like
pillow?
it's yeah. You put them, or I can use it for breastfeeding and all that.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
It literally just those things that in the airplane that you kind of put over your thing, over your neck. Yeah,
Neck
that's kind of
pillow?
like what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. I picked such a good one. Deluxe bouncer. The bouncer?
Yeah.
I'm not opening
Seems
this
to-
yet. Well, thank you for the bouncer. The dang Cece here. So, the bouncer was from Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. I'm gonna do this quite often. You'll see me on here a couple times because some of them didn't have names. So, this is from Michelle. Thank you. Oh, it's a white
White
warmer.
warmer.
Hiccup pop.
Oh, no. Wow.
Sorry. Oh, okay, Amazon. This packaging, horrible.
That could have been for me, honestly. It could have been squash. wow.
Oh wow, that's it.
Okay.
That's the drops. This is from That's It. Again.
Hey, same here.
Keep it.
This is
So
a
cute.
meal ice pack for discomfort, hemorrhoids, pelvic pain, postpartum pain, bumps and bruises.
Oh, that's for me. Sorry
Yeah,
about it.
I know that.
Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you. Here. What's it? What?
I wanted to do it.
No. Oh wow.
Another dog.
Dogs. Stay dry.
You
Oh wait.
are pointing that knife real close to me.
You should get away from me.
Oh, this is from Nasser, my grandfather, Madi, Jacob, and Jessica. I don't know what Jacob and Jessica is.
I don't
Well,
know
thank
any
you,
of them.
everyone. Well, it's like
Thank you.
so cute.
Nipple butter. Sterile.
Saline. Oh,
Saline.
I seen
Mist.
Oh, these are stay dry nursing pads. So my booby milk won't leak everywhere.
Editing CC cut while we get them ready.
Wrapping paper.
To me and Sierra release from Ryan, my cousin Ryan. Yep. Then there's these binkies.
You gotta do this. Look at this one. It's from Mary. Thank you, Mary. It's completely covering it. This says Clementine Blanc. It's so cute and fluffy. Brenda. It's so cute.
There.
These are really cute. Oh, and it has a little headband. This, it looks so white on camera, but
No name.
thanks, No Name. Oh, this is gonna be so cute in the nursery.
And a blanket. Is that headbands?
Let me, headband? Yeah.
There.
They're huge.
Jeez.
You broke it.
I didn't. I took it off the packaging. Headbands and a blanket.
They're so big. Oh my god. I've never seen that before.
Me either.
Should stay comfy
Whoa.
for sure.
Piggy bank.
Isn't that perfect? Wait, Shauna.
So what is
That's
that?
H-A-N.
Oh, that's the rest of the A. I thought it was a.
That has
I
to
thought
be
it was like
Shauna.
a SHANEL. Who?
Thank you, Shauna. We're gonna double check that. There's these cute little socks.
Oh my god. Those Halloween socks? Dude.
Oh my gosh. I mean, like, just basically. This is something I'd wear if it wasn't a baby.
Yeah. There's a picture frame.
Oh my
Socks.
sweet.
And socks.
¿Tienes más media que yo?
And socks. I mean, feet.
Oh.
Booties.
That bag did not have. Oh, editing. CC here. Can you guys stop it? Huh? Anyways, that bag.
They're just yelling at us.
I'm just trying to tell. It's editing CC trying to tell everyone that was from Willa because they didn't know. Anyways, that was from Willa.
What was from what?
Something.
Oh, you recording?
Oh my gosh.
I
Yes.
didn't know what you were doing.
Yes, that was from Willa. So thank you, Willa. It didn't have your name on it, so that's why we didn't say. But yeah.
From Shahid.
I want to see that so bad.
Little Link plushie. A little orange.
Oh, this is from Willa in Milton. Ugh. Big old backpack. First aid kit for her.
It's a health care and
And-
grooming set. Little
Oh my god, I love this. Wait, did she get this from my registry? I don't know, but I actually wanted a sign language book. Oh my god, that makes me so happy. This is the outfit. It comes with a headband, cranberry. Anyways. Oh, boys. Those are cute. Oh, and they can go fishing. Oh, it's from Miss Turner and Miss Gittens.
thing.
That's cute. I love that. Those are all those bottles.
The poo
Oh.
socks and bib.
That would go so cute with the outfit that someone else got. Oh, it goes with that outfit too.
Winnie the Pooh.
This means a lot to me because I used to love Winnie the Pooh when I was younger.
Me too.
Foxy. This is from Jennifer, Destiny, and the kiddos.
sonogram frame.
These are such like big girl outfits. I like walking
Hat and
around.
boots.
Yeah. Bows. They're really cute though.
From
Emberlyn. And, oh. Thank you, Emberlyn. Iranena. Oh, those are so cute. It's getting me
Flowers.
hot already. Opals.
Binkies.
Well, whoever got this. Oh. That was also from Willa, so thank you. They're so tiny. Farm and animals. Legs.
Sierra
Oh.
from Little
Oh.
Discoveries.
Thank you, Sarah.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Little kid.
That's really cute. Denzel, your bag got all ripped. Thank you, Denzel, for the diapers and wipes. Definitely gonna own these guys
Essentials.
too. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells like baby. Hello, little one. Willa
Willa
in
Milton.
Milton. So cute.
First.
Oh my god. I can see. Oh, I want to wear it.
Put it on.
It is an orange one.
Look yarny.
Oh my god, these are so cute. I'm like dying. And mom's excuse for being like, oh, she's going to D-Max.
Sure is.
I like how she got a lot of those like slogan ones. I can't. There's a white cream one. Snickers. Let's see. What is this from? You know, you guys need to get better at writing your names on it. This ass is crazy. Because now looking back, I knew that was Haley's immediately. I'm so sorry. Because I didn't know they had pink ones. Oh. I promise that's not a sign of anger. We have like 8 of these.
We have 3.
No, we don't. We have the elephant, the lion,
Oh, we have 4. I have a pig and a cow.
cow,
You have an elephant
Yeah.
and a lion.
and he wants a collection of them.
They're cute.
And now we have another elephant.
No se lo pierda.
Tenemos como 8 de estos.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
There's some at Kohl's. I was gonna get them, but they're like
Vamos a ver
$18
por,
each.
No.
por cuál se decide ella.
See, Haley, you got me diapers. She was like, Cece, when you get diapers, I better see a picture. For stretch marks. Colors are so cute. I love it.
Ready, bibs.
I have one of both. Cool. Alright, this is from
I think I know. Just kidding.
Louis,
Oh.
Ilana, Zachariah, Sarah, and Josiah.
Should I get a knife?
The Cookie Mom.
Cool too.
He is so cute.
Mm-hmm. But I like the colors because they're very like that's
Miss Turner. Oh, Iris. It's a UGG. I'm jealous. This is not fair. You put it in the right
that's
spot.
cute.
Oh, I wanted that.
Sorry.
Got these books and whatever else is in there.
Okay.
Cute.
Yeah.
But this is so cute too. Oh, it's from Elizabeth
Oh.
with Jazz. Oh,
Kimmy.
Kimmy. Oh yeah, Kim. What is it? Here.
Whoa.
Oh, you gotta make you one.
Oh
She's
my
a
God.
Mickey
Mickey
Mouse.
Mouse.
Oh, she is? I'm seeing a card. Oh wait, no. No name anywhere. This outfit is so cute.
Oh, I love that. You have to put that on her probably sooner than.
Yeah, it's 0 to 3. A lot of them are 0 to 3. I'm just gonna change her off 5 times a day. Make sure she gets everything on. I'm back. That was from Aisha. So, thank you, Aisha. Oh, Aisha getting all of you guys. What?
Holy crap.
Oh, this from Honey.
Honey. Oh, look at that. See? I told you, I'm like, don't get anything yet. I mean, it's like a sweater coat.
Yeah,
Easy.
they're really soft.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, it's really cute too.
That's
It's a
really
cute
nice. I
picture.
like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like, you know how they start growing like 3 months and all that stuff.
Yeah, I like this a lot.
Looks like. Oh.
Perfect for tummy time, changing, and playing. Oh, I love this so much. I can't wait to use it. This is from Jackie. I got another Boppy.
Yay.
Oh, and another Swaddle.
Oh yeah.
So many thoughts. This is from Isaac and Malvin.
Alright, you can talk.
Oh, I just scrolled down the book.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It smells like chemicals.
Oh,
It's 2 crib sheets and a dust ruffle.
Oh.
it's a bedding set.
The only bedding that we got.
I know, right?
That's crazy. Are you serious? That they're doing that. But not on live. She's gonna edit it. That's why.
Diaper size 1.
Yeah.
Newborn.
I just woke up recently. I did it. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Those were also from Willa, so thank you, Willa. We have so many diapers because of you. What? You got a potty training? My size potty? What?
It's a sleep machine projector.
Oh, it probably has like,
Oh, like
something in the
yeah,
top.
so they can like look.
Yeah, you look up and it's probably
Yeah.
like stars and all that stuff.
While they pee.
Yep.
And they can think, yeah. I want to try. What is that?
Oh, it's a genie, diaper genie. Oh, that's what that is.
Oh,
It's for the
Another trash can?
trash.
we have 3 of them.
Holy crap! Are you serious?
Yeah.
Or but one you guys leave one here, one in his house, like literally.
Yeah.
Just make sure you empty it out. Like it's sticky.
Yeah. Well, mommy's right there. Thank you guys so much for everything that we received. I don't even have words for it. It's literally Christmas or it's not even Christmas yet. But we'll be all set for a while.
Oh yeah.
She has a bunch of socks, bunch of diapers, bunch of wipes, everything. Literally everything she can be. She has more clothes than me. Thank you so much, everyone. We appreciate it. And yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're so boring.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You guys,
Now, this is the end of the video. I'd just like to add that my boyfriend is very much grateful, although he just said thank you. He just doesn't like stuff like that. He gets like camera shy. He gets really nervous. He's not really good with showing his emotion, but he's beyond excited, I promise you. We appreciate everything. It was a true blessing to have everything. Like I'm surrounded by everything still. I've like reorganized her closet and I've packed up one of her diaper bags. Like it's just, I can't thank you guys enough. Like it truly is the best thing ever. So thank you all for helping and being so supportive and loving to our next chapter in life. We really appreciate everything and we love you all. So thank you.